Hi, this is Keith Bryant from Global SMT and Packaging Magazine, and I'm here at THECA with my good friend Apple, who is from the THPCA, who are the organizers of the event. And Apple is one of the key drivers for making this a big success that it is. So, welcome Apple, and please tell us a bit more about the show.
Yes, the THECA 2025 has been very successful as we are expected. We welcome 253 exhibitors from all over the world, and we have a very good quality, high quality conference session, 46 session for this year. And the pre-register for the visitor is 5,000 people pre-register.
Yeah, and if I remember right, you said last year it was 1,000 people,
Right.
and the show was about half the size that it is now.
Yes. This year we double the size from one hall to two hall, and we increased 114% from last year. Yeah.
And I know I've been up to the conference. It's very, very well attended, and a lot of people are very interested. Also, you have very high quality speakers, again, from all around the world.
That is our strong point to draw the attendees, draw the visitors to come to attend the show.
Yeah, I completely agree with this. A strong conference brings a very good quality level of visitor.
Yes. Also, this year we have a speaker not only from Thailand but from all over the world to be our key speaker.
Yep, I've been one myself, so I can attest to that is good. And
Thank you very much.
in our event, we had like almost 80 people sitting and listening to our discussion. So
Thank you.
yeah, it's very good. And the organization has seemed very smooth and efficient also, but I'm sure you had one or two challenges to set everything up.
One or two is very less. Actually, as the show organizer, right, we plan to have a smooth organizing, but you know that the last minute problem will pop up. But this challenge, right, it turned out to be a very good challenge for us. And because of the strong leadership of the THPCA and good partner and good show organizer that we work together, it turned out to be very successful. Thank you to them, and thank you to the THPCA team too.
Yeah, from the senior group down to the, let's say, the people on the floor, everything has seemed to be very well coordinated, and everyone has worked very positively as a team.
Yes. Actually, this year we expect to make a deal during the show about 20 billion Thai Bhatt. That is our expectation. We get the number from our partner BOI. And as you can see, the business matching program next to our booth is very busy for the last 2 days.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also you have the day before yesterday, there was a networking event also to bring everyone together, but not only the exhibitors, but invited visitors also.
Yes, during the networking night, we also have the very significant event that we plan. My boss, Mr. Putana, planned for 2 years. That is signing ceremony MOU of the TECC, Thailand Electronic Circuit Center. Yes, that is coming up to upskill, reskill for the workforce for Thailand, for the electronics industry.
Yeah, this is going to be the center of the whole of your, let's call it, educational and training program going forward.
Right.
And also you have connections with the universities, with industry, so everything is, in Thailand, it becomes very cohesive.
Right. As you can see that we have professors from various of the engineering university attend this show. They have a booth at the end of the hall, as you can see. So this year we have a very great support from the government of Thailand and the university side.
I just, for the people who are going to view this, I want to ask, you're a young lady, you're working in a senior position within electronics manufacturing. There are a lot of ladies out there who think being able to do this is like too difficult or too challenging. Please explain how it's worked for you and maybe give some inspiration to some of the people who are watching this?
Yeah, actually, for me, right, my nature is as a woman, right, we are not very interesting in the electronics world, right? But when I'm into the business, I find that it's very interesting, and I believe if we're willing to learn, then it's gonna be fun. Yes, and as a woman, we have maybe different way of the communication. Yes, and maybe more compromise. And the good thing that I can see more women coming into this industry.
Yeah. And that's good for all of us for the future, because better communication and better networking and better working together in teams is going to help the whole industry grow.
Yes, like for example, the THPCA, Thailand Printed Circuit Association, we have the GM, which is a man, and then the rest are women,
Yeah.
including me.
Yeah. And you can see from this event, you're doing a very successful job.
Thank you very much. Behind the scene is always issues, but we can cover it, and we collaborate with each other and our partner. I would like to thank to our partner and all the hands that help from the exhibitor team that help us a lot on this, make this happen. I would like to say thank you to them from here.
Well, I'm sure they've heard that, and that's probably the perfect place to end this. So thank you for
very
giving
much.
me your time.
Thank you.
And thank you for sharing with us. And that's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off.